Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set always on display in Samsung Galaxy A05. Guys, as you know that we don't have default option of always on display. Let me confirm it. Just search here always on display. But as you guys see that we don't have this option in default, so but we can enable it by using third-party application. All you guys have to do, just go to Play Store and here search for Movies Edge. Just install this application. By the way, this is the best application for always on display. Just open and then click here. After that, allow the permission, then again go back. All you guys have to do, just as you see, we have option of AOD. It's mean always on display. Just click here and select any display you want. I am selecting this one. After that, click apply. So after applying, just again go back, and then as you see, we have option of setting. Just click on settings, go to always on display and allow the brightness to the 100 level. That's it. Now time to check it. Just turn off the screen, and as you see, always on display is working 100% okay. So this is how we can enable always on display in Samsung Galaxy A05 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.